WAYV is a wireless, smart and wearable indicator system for cyclists. The WAYV body harness features over 200 super bright LED lights on the front and the rear of the harness to clearly signal turns and maneuvers to other road users, making cyclists much more visible. The WAYV harness can be used with or without a backpack. Materials make the WAYV harness waterproof, rechargeable, and easy to fit into a laptop bag. It is designed with great attention to every detail: buckles, edges, comfort, and ergonomics. WAYV goes with you and nothing has to be left on the bike. The WAYV helmet indicator attaches to almost every type of vented cycling helmet. It is lightweight, waterproof, and with over 50 super bright LEDs, gives you maximum visibility. WAYV helmet gear is easy to unclip, and it works in tandem with harness. Both the WAYV helmet gear and harness can be used independently of each other. WAYV lever has an inbuilt LED to help keep track of the indicator direction. It also comes with an app to configure and adjust settings via any smartphone. At night, a hand signal is not easy to see, and cyclists are only able to perform the signal briefly to avoid losing control of the bike. WAYV puts you in control of your bike. WAYV is designed after extensive research and development of various bicycle types, riding positions, handlebar positions, and in consultation with motorists, pedestrians, cyclists, and transportation experts. The front LED indicators makes you bright and visible and show oncoming road users and pedestrians your turn direction. Rear indicators on left and right are strategically placed to engage road users behind you, and iconic X sign makes you easily noticeable to all road users. The WAYV cycle system was designed and developed by Dotton and Amit, enthusiastic cyclists. Together they have more than 20 years of shared experience. They have invested their own money to get the product to prototype stage. With your backing, they are looking to take this to the production stage and achieve their ultimate goal: to make